25th birthday, belated, and happy testimonial party as well. Wish na ako sa imong birthday na long life, more birthdays to come, happiness, good health above all, and ang kalinaw. Then for my testimonial wishes, una gusto dyan ako nga maka-attend sa imong testimonial, but I really have to come back here in Dubai to work. And aside from that, I know happy ka, as well, I know everyone is preparing for your big special moment to be a teacher. This is it, and it doesn't mean na nag-retire ka at the end of your leadership, but it's the beginning of another stage. It's another level of a leader, being a mother now, and a nanay, and a wife to tatay. I was blessed, we are blessed to have a nanay like you, especially sa mga all the sacrifices, heartaches. I know it's part of life, may frustration, disappointments, but above all, nasurpass ni mo ang tanan, and nakaya ni mo. At the same time, I mean, it ends, and it is all the sacrifices has its own reasons. And now, salamat kung dako, in the sense na kung saan ko karon, kung saan man nasa ko at because ikaw ang o si tatay ang pinaka-inspiration ako na naghatag sa source of strength, love, and courage. Mabalusa sa akong sariling life. I mean, happy ko, satisfied ko sa lahat na kung saan man ko karon. And I'm very much proud, happy, and wala ko masay. Aside from that, nagpasalamat ako kay Papa Jesus na ako mga prayers yung ginungog tanan, especially ang pagbante kaninyo kanunay, wala pinaka-nindot na ginhatag sa kakanay Papa Jesus. Since layuta, pabot na ako sa mga big hugs, like kisses, to say belated happy birthday and happy testimonial day once again. I love you, and chika ever na lang tapuhon. Surprise. Yes, right? Love you, nanay. Bye-bye.